Discover a kaleidoscope of colour, culture and tradition on this adventure spanning Singapore, the Malay Peninsula, exotic Thailand and Cambodia. Uncover the lives of ancient Khmer people amid the hushed ruins of world-renowned Angkor Wat, and encounter Singapore's unique blend of ethnic diversity and cosmopolitan panache. During 2 nights on the luxurious Eastern and Oriental Express, relive the golden age of travel while gently rolling through verdant countryside. Witness the hum of local life along Bangkok's legendary waterways and learn about the Thailand-Burma Railway on the Khwae River. Delight your palate with Southeast Asia's exquisite cuisine and meet a medley of charismatic, welcoming locals. This remarkable travel experience will add another engaging page to your book of travel memories. Throughout this incredible journey, you'll be in the care of a seasoned professional who manages every detail. Our travel directors deliver unparalleled personal service, and our guests consistently rave about them. Plus, our expert guides and local speakers open your eyes to the region's history and culture. The energy and passion of this top-notch team creates a truly extraordinary experience. While in Southeast Asia, savor the ultimate in comfort and service during stays at deluxe hotels and experience elegant rail travel aboard the Eastern and Orient Express from Singapore to Bangkok. Best of all, you'll travel with a small group, sized just right for a more individual experience and filled with comfortable camaraderie and new friendships. But we also understand the thrill of crafting your adventures. That's why we build free time and elective activities into many of our programs. And because we value our solo travelers, many of our trips are specially priced with no single supplement. You'll come away with the journey of a lifetime. Just listen to what recent travelers had to say.
Like other AHI programs, we had an excellent leader and speakers and loved having the chance to interact with locals.
Our signature itineraries introduce you to iconic cultural sites, natural landmarks, and hidden gems around the world. It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.